AI News Report for Sunday, August 9, 2026. Number 1. OpenAI launched GPT-5.6, Sol plus Luna, free users get unlimited chats. On August 9, OpenAI launched the GPT-5.6 series with two models. GPT-5.6 Sol is the flagship for Plus and Pro users, tuned for real ChatGPT usage with adjustable reasoning depth. GPT-5.6 Luna replaces GPT-5.5 as the default for free and Go users, offering unlimited text chats for the first time, plus a new Think button. ChatGPT just crossed e billion weekly active users. API pricing, Sol at $5 per million input tokens, $30 per million output tokens, with a 1.05 million token context window. Independent benchmarks show Luna at max reasoning matches or beats GLM 5.2 and Gemini 3.5 Flash. Why it matters, the world's largest AI product just went free unlimited. This pressures Anthropic and Google. For Fengge, unlimited GPT-5.6 means no more rationing queries for market research, copywriting, or coding. Number 2. Meta launched Muse Spark 1.2 plus Muse Code, entering the coding agent war. On August 2, Meta Superintelligence Labs released Muse Spark 1.2 and Muse Code in beta, a terminal coding agent. This is Meta's third Muse Spark model in 4 months. Muse Code runs on macOS and Linux terminals with persistent async background agents. It keeps working after you walk away. Meta claims 82.9% on terminal bench, directly competing with Cursor, Devon, and Claude Code. Crucially, Muse Code is free, no subscription, no desktop app required, just a terminal. Why it matters, Meta is pivoting from a model company to a product company. For Fengge, a free high-quality coding assistant. Try it for automation scripts and backend work. It costs nothing. Number 3. OpenAI slowed Astra development over security concerns. On August 10, OpenAI disclosed that Astra, its next-gen model in development, reached the critical cybersecurity threshold. It can independently identify and execute cyber attacks against well-defended real-world targets. OpenAI voluntarily slowed Astra's development to assess risks and build safeguards. This is the first time OpenAI has publicly admitted hitting the brakes for security reasons before release. Why it matters, frontier model attack capability is no longer theoretical. AI safety governance is becoming a real constraint on product timelines, not just a talking point. Number 4. OpenAI's first hardware, Jony Ive-designed $300 donut AI speaker. Bloomberg and Fortune reported on August 10 that OpenAI is working with Jony Ive's Love from on its first consumer device, a donut-shaped, portable AI smart speaker with moving parts, flashing lights, no screen, and a camera that watches what you're doing. Expected price, $300 to $400, target launch 2027. Think of a hockey puck you can carry around the house with one hand. Why it matters, software companies rarely succeed at hardware. Remember Facebook phone? But Jony Ive changes the equation. If successful, this could be the boldest hardware plus AI fusion since the iPhone. Number 1. Google Maps' biggest update in a decade, AI 3D navigation plus agent ordering. On August 9, Google announced the largest Maps update in 10 years. Gemini AI powers immersive 3D navigation with near-photorealistic buildings and overpasses. New agentic features let users order food and book hotels directly through Ask Maps. Launch partners include Square and Toast for food payments, with Uber Eats coming soon. Personal intelligence pulls from Gmail and calendar context but is off by default for privacy. Why it matters, a billion monthly active user navigation app becomes an AI life agent. This is the textbook case of AI agents entering super apps. Number 2. Amazon Texas data center could become America's biggest climate polluter, 33 million tons of CO2 per year. The New York Times reported on August 5 that Amazon is building a 7.65 gigawatt natural gas power plant for its Pecos County, Texas data center. That's more generating capacity than most U.S. states. Permitted to emit 33 million tons of CO2 annually, this single facility would be America's largest pollution source. Amazon claims on-site generation won't raise Texas electricity costs, but communities and environmental groups are pushing back hard. Why it matters, AI's environmental cost is no longer a side issue. Training frontier models consumes millions of kilowatt-hours. Each GPT query uses 10 times the energy of a traditional search. Electricity costs and carbon compliance will become core financial considerations for anyone deploying AI at scale. Number 2. Rippling burned millions on AI, then built an employee ROI tool, token spend 40% to 15%. On August 2, Rippling launched AI Spend Console, tracking AI spending per employee and team with active controls. The product was born from Rippling's own way-up call. Token spend hit 40% of headcount budget, peaking at 605 billion tokens monthly. After deploying the console, AI spend dropped to about 15%. Not by limiting usage, but by cutting wasteful and redundant calls. Granularity goes down to department, tool category, and individual employee level. Why it matters: the enterprise AI hangover is real. After a year of free-rein AI usage, CFOs are asking about ROI. Feng, if you deploy AI tools at Galaxy Telecom, build spending tracking from day one. Weekly summary: 3 themes. Productization, securitization, environmentalization. Productization: OpenAI and Meta are done just selling APIs. OpenAI launched GPT-5.6 for 1 billion free users, acquired Next Slide for presentations, and is building Jony Ive hardware. Meta shipped a free coding agent. The model race is becoming a product race. Securitization: OpenAI's Astra disclosure shows security is now a real product constraint, not just talk. As AI agents grow more capable, internal security audits will tighten for enterprise deployments. Environmentalization: Amazon's 7.65 gigawatt gas plant is the extreme case of AI's power hunger. Electricity will become an increasingly visible line item in the AI cost structure. Feng Zhi's top actions this week: Number E, GPT-5.6 Luna, free unlimited AI, get the whole team on it. Number Meta Muse Code, free terminal coding agent, try replacing paid tools.